Hi friends, this is Narhari. Welcome back to my channel. We have finished the designing pattern. Then we need to we need to focus on the backend project, which is database, etc. And I was used as MySQL as a database and Hibernate as an ORM tool, which we can create the database. We can create the table, and JPA is an annotation, and stereotype annotation. Let's look into this. We can create without any Java object also, but we can access the input in controller, and then we can create the access also, but we can't do that like that, because every Java object design Java project, every object design properties, we need to return the properties as per their. Okay, then so we need to create one package. The package name is com.ntech.dto. Is a data type object. Need to create one class uh, alien alien save from, and we can mark it as entity. The entity annotation is an persistence entity which is used to the Hibernate will mark which is used to mark the which is an entity. We can Hibernate look into the look into this first, then it will be entity, then it will be automatically created table. It will automatically create the table. Okay, and at the rate table name equal alien. Okay, just import this table. No need, if you want to specify the table name, you can specify. If you no need to, if you if you are not create this table, then it will be automatically creates. Okay, then we need, every entity has a ID. We need to specify the ID, persistent ID. Then at the rate generated value strategy dot generation type. strategy equal sorry strategy equals generation strategy equal strategy equal generation type dot auto will automatically creates. Then need to create one int alien id, then string, that is name, full name, and annotated with, import the projects, annotated with at the rate column. At the rate column, it tells the Hibernate 2 is an column. You need to create this. Okay, just add the at the rate column annotation. Just copy this. Next one is email Next one is password. Next one is confirm password. Sorry. Next one is photo. Next one is gender. Next one is specialization. Next one is hobbies. That's it. Every object has on setters and getters. We need to get the objects. So I'm generating the setters and getters. I'm also generating constructor without using default constructor, and also generate constructor. Just save this table. Then we need to focus on dispatcher servlet. Okay. To go to dispatcher servlet, we need to add data source which we are using. Okay, I've already copied. See here, bean ID class. I have used driver manager data source. Driver manager data source. What is this? It is a JDBC class which is used to get the connection. Okay, this is an driver class name. We can add the class name com.mysql.jdbc driver. You can change according to your database. Then I was used URL for my MySQL class, MySQL table. Sorry. Then this is a username for my database. This is a password. And after that, I need to create session factory. Every Hibernate looks the first is session factory. If there is a session factory exists, it will automatically creates the table. It will not. It will gets the. It will. Okay, just property name data source. Ref data source. We need to add the data source into session factory. Then after that, we need to give the Hibernate properties. What are the properties? Are the dialect. This is a dialect of MySQL. Then this is an SPM2 DDL.auto. It is an it will whenever you specify this, it will automatically retrieve, select, create the table. Then this is an SOSQL is through which is used to display the SQL queries on your console. Okay. The packages. What are the packages it will scan? We have only one package, that is alien save form. It is marked as entity. Then it will be look into this and it will be create the table. Then we need to create a transaction. Every JDBC or Hibernate has a transaction manager. It will without transaction manager it won't be create any table. Okay, we need to create the transaction manager in our dispatcher servlet, and we need to then let's do another thing. We need to create DAO. So I want to create packages com dot ntech dot DAO, and another package is com dot ntech dot DA sorry DAO DAO implementation. Then I want to create one interface. Interface name is alien DAO. In that interface I want to mark is design interface public void have used public void save alien save form a s as an object. Another is public alien save form check login. Then we need to specify, I want to specify two parameters, string email comma string password as a pwd. Okay, we create it. Then we need to implement that interface alien DAOIMPL implementation. Okay, and implements it from DAO class, DAO interface. Implements DAO, sorry, alien DAO. First of all, we need to import them. Then we need to add unimplemented methods. All the methods are, we need to implement all those methods. Before that, we need to create one session factory. The auto-wide annotation is an stereotype annotation which is used to present Spring Bean auto-wide annotation which is used to inject the object to any class. Okay, I'm using here session factory. Import the session factory, then session, create the object of a session factory, then generate the setters and getters for this. After that, we need to save the alien save form. Okay, session factory dot get current session. Get current session dot save as. It will return the object to our controller. Okay, just we need to map our HTML input to our object. So open the sign up form. Here I have added model attribute alien form. Okay, then open the controller, alien controller, and I need to create one at the request mapping. So I'm gonna copy this, pasted here. Save alien, save alien. You can put any name which you want. Next, after that, we need to get. Before that, we need to get the DAO alien DAO class, DAOIMPL object ADI. Okay, just create this. Just import the packages. sorry, the class name should be implementation. That's my mistake. Okay, implementation is there. Then import the package, import the class packages. Then after that we need to auto edit rate auto void. After that we need to get the setters and getters. After that we need to this is an index page. Okay,